Hello folks. So this video is gonna be super quick one, but an important one. And this video is gonna be about Connect the Dots by Rashmi Bansal. It's not inverted, it's actually this is how the cover is. So this book is actually about the inspiring stories of 20 entrepreneurs without an MBA who dared to find their own path. So this actually contains 20 different stories of 20 different entrepreneurs and who might not be as popular as you might think, but they had their own path and they followed their passion. The stories are super simple with different. Of course, the ideas are slightly unique, a lot unique, I would say. But what the stories convey is that one like things can be very simple, and very easy to do when you follow your passion and you're motivated to do the thing. So this is about 20 people. So but you might wonder why is this book important to me? Like why did I pick this book specifically where there are no details about the 20 people? You can read this book in one day, and it's all about motivation and passion about passion about achieving what you want to do. So there are no details of any company to it. So why did I pick this one? So the answer is it actually solves two of my very important questions, and I actually believe that these questions should pop up into you if you want to start something of your own. So first thing first, like what's the first issue? It's about MBA. So I actually wonder should I do an MBA or not? So my purpose of doing an MBA, like what I see myself doing an MBA as. So my purpose would not be getting to a decent, well paid or decent company or any other MBA specific job, but it's actually about learning business. I want to learn how businesses are operated and how things are managed. So that's my idea of doing an MBA, and that's why I want to do an MBA. But if you were attentive, it's about 20 entrepreneurs without an MBA. So it's the USP of the book that MBA is actually not necessary to do any business. Like yes, it's definitely helpful, but it's not necessary to if you want to do a business, then MBA is definitely something which you are gonna need. No, you can do it without MBA. This book does confirm this, but I have my own research which aligns with the idea of this book. And the next doubt is actually a humongous one, and I think this doubt is everybody's doubt. It's like if you want to start up, so we all think about the unique idea about which we are going to do something, and a lot of people just revolve around that unique idea and they never reach to that point where they find their unique idea. So it's about that यूनिक आइडिया ही होगा तभी आगे बढ़ेंगे क्या. तो what I used to think was कि यूनिक आइडिया होगा like I'll do something कि मशीन लर्निंग और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का मिक्स करके कुछ तो नया बना देंगे ऐसा, या फिर like everybody says कि look into the problems around you and find a solution. So this book is actually the application of this thought of looking around yourself, finding the problem and then solving it. Or you won't believe कि ideas can be so you might think how can somebody imagine this idea, but that idea's business is actually 100 crore plus business. So we're talking about this. So this is the thing कि unique idea is not necessary. Ideation is only 5% or 10% of the part. Execution is what's important, and execution is what's been focused in this book कि how the idea has been executed and what the problems faced. So I'll tell you 3 stories from 20 of these stories, which I thought these are worth, all the 20 stories are worth it, but these I would say these are the ones. So first would be political edge. Politics is something I'm sure you all will align that politics, especially Indian politics, is something where not there's slightly less of logic, and we might feel that it's a lot orthodox. But there were two students from IIT, and they were actually interested in politics, but they did not want to join directly. They did not want to go directly into the politics. They were just curious about discussing matters. So they started a company called Political Edge. So what this company does is there's a they reach to the root level, into the villages, into the various voter section, vote banks, which is what they call. So and they survey those areas and find out the problems they are facing, like what the people expect from their political leaders, और जो भी उस एरिया का पॉलिटिशियन होगा उससे what are they people expecting from them, और ग्राउंड रियलिटी क्या है, they do this exit polls, so that kind of stuff. So I mean yes, politics, people could have some thoughts about politics, but I never thought कि something like this could be done and made a business, you can make a business out of it. So Political Edge is one. It's definitely a unique idea. I don't know, a lot of people might think of the idea, but execution, as I mentioned, execution is important, and the folks at Political Edge did execute the idea. So the next story would be Cash or Drive. It's actually Cash, UR and Drive. And this is actually Raghu Khanna's idea. So what they do is they advertise, like how it started was they advertise on various vehicles, cars, specifically cars. So they if you go to them and they say ki, this is my product, please advertise it. So what they had several car owners into their contract, or taxi drivers into their contract, and then they would print your whatever your advertisement poster is, print that advertisement onto the car for some time. This is actually a very simple idea. Actually an idea of this kind did cross my mind when I was in my second year, but I never gave it a thought. But it's a business, and today they are actually doing digital marketing. This is traditional marketing where they put up hoardings, they advertise on the hoardings and all. And of course this idea retains the trucks and auto drivers. They stick their advertisement on their vehicles and things like that. So this is again something I would say ki it's simple. There's no mathematics, there's no technicality into the idea, and the people who are doing it, two of them were engineers. Like both the ideas belong to the engineers, but engineering never came handy into this, and forget about the MBA itself. It's all about execution. And the third idea would be Shakti Sudha Industries, and this is a company which sells actually I think this is the industry related to this. I'm sure you all have heard about makhanas, like the edible makhana. So this makhana used to be a product of very remote part of the Bihar, North Bihar, they would say, and it would it's actually very difficult to extract makhanas, because the process of extracting makhana is very difficult, and the farmers are not actually they were not used to be paid well for that product, for that thing which is makhana extraction. But this company called Shakti Sudha Industries, they mechanized, and they made a proper pipeline of events and different processes जहाँ पे फार्मर आएगा अपने मखाने लेके, उनके लिए एक मिनिमम सेलिंग पॉइंट है जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा हाई है, डायनेमिक है, बट इट्स ऑल इन फेवर ऑफ द फार्मर्स who are creating those, who are producing those मखानास. तो उसको यूज़ कर अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी, अपने एंड की सारे सर्विसेज यूज़ करके उसको मखानास को पूरा एक ग्लोबल काइंड ऑफ मार्केट में ले आते हैं, एंड देन प्रॉफिट्स आर फार्मर्स हु यूज्ड टू स्ट्रगल, उनको अब 2 गुना पैसा मिल रहा है उसी चीज़ का, मखाना से. एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट, अगेन एज आई मेंशन्ड, इट्स ऑल अबाउट एग्जीक्यूशन. अब नाउ इफ आई टेल यू गो टू, and I'm sure we all bump into stuff which are very localized, कि local market की एक चीज़ बहुत popular है, but वो वाइड पे जगह पे नहीं जा रही. But it's very simple. is when, of course, the person who started Shakti Sudha Industry, he had prior knowledge of the business, and then he switched to this makhana thing, and of course the previous business did come handy, but it happened in Bihar when Bihar was under presidential rule. So there was no infrastructure, कोई investment support नहीं था, but still he somehow managed, and then proper government टाइम नीतीश government what they call it, तो investment मिला, and then और promotion मिला काफ़ी ज़्यादा. तो आज it's they at the point of writing of this book, they are actually expecting a turnover of 100 crores. So that's again a superb idea. So it's very simple. Business is not about startup, or business is not about the unique idea. It's about execution, I would say. And then you don't need to have a very unique idea. And there was another story. This would be a bonus story. There was another story about white butter, makhan. So there was a person who literally forgot about studies and all, the college and all, and then he was just interested into dairy products. तो वो मक्खन बनाता था अपने हाथों से. Literally he used to sell those white butter balls, इतने बड़े balls, and then he used to sell them. हाथ से बनाए, कोई third person allowed नहीं है, कोई साथ में helper नहीं है, वो खुद से करते थे. And then eventually उनका quality is what they used to ensure. और फिर उसको रिवॉर्ड मिलने लगा, एंड देन ही एम्प्लॉयड सेवरल पीपल जो सब लोग हैंडमेड वाइट बटर को सेल करते थे. एंड टुडे अगेन वो भी करोड़, लाइक उनका टर्नओवर भी करोड़ में हो गया. सो दिस इज अबाउट दिस बुक. सो दिस यू माइट फील कि दिस बुक इज नॉट वेरी डेप्थ, कोई मार्केटिंग जीनियस नहीं है, कोई डिज़ाइन जीनियस नहीं है, कुछ ब्रेक थ्रू आइडिया नहीं है. बट यू डिडंट, एज आई मेंशन्ड अगेन, ideation is only 5% of your company. Pura a major chunk goes to execution of the idea and team and all. So that's about this. That's what I think the message this book is conveying, and it's specifically about as I mentioned, the unique selling point of this book is कि MBA नहीं चाहिए. MBA is not important, but I would say कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा insights हैं इस book में. So this was my take on this book. I hope you are going to read this book. Bye.